Why can you not make more money than you're making? Beneath the problem, there's a thought. Not good enough. Not strong enough. What do you want?
I want to be big.
No, I want to be big. Come on. Keep your eyes open. Look at me. Say it, I'm strong enough. Let's do it like I do. Think I care what these people think? Right now, you're the only thing on my mind. Don't let me down. Did anybody ever tell you to shut up? To be good? To be a polite little girl? Not to make waves? Yes or no? Pretend I'm all of them.
I'm strong enough.
Point at me, say I'm strong enough.
I'm strong enough.
That's better. Say it again.
I'm strong enough.
Say I'm big enough.
I'm big enough.
I'm strong enough.
I'm strong enough.
Say I deserve it.
I deserve it.
Breathe.